Have you ever wondered how to quickly find the total of your choice chocolates or pencils? What if I told you that there is an easy math trick that helps us find the total in just a few steps? Today we are going to learn chapter 3 addition addition. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to add bigger numbers with confidence. So get ready, grab your notebook, and let's begin. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to Unwire. On this channel, we learn in a fun, easy, and simple way. Today we will learn grade 2 maths to chapter 3 addition. Addition is one of the most useful math skills. We use it every day while shopping, counting money, adding marks, counting toys, and many more activities. So let's start learning together. Before we add bigger numbers, let's remember what addition means. Addition means putting numbers together to find the total or sum. For example, you have 4 apples. Your friend gives you 3 more apples. Now count them together. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Will you count them together, or will you just do like 4 plus 3 equals 7? 4 plus 3 is actually fast for if you have 4 plus 3, if you do 4 plus 3, it is faster to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But 4 plus 3 is 7. That was in 2 seconds, but the counting was in 7 seconds. The answer is called the sum. Can you solve this? 5 plus 2 equals dash. Pause what you want to think. That's right. The answer is 7. Excellent work. Yeah. Now that we know with addition what addition means, let's learn our first important topic. Let's learn how to add 3 two-digit numbers step by step. Sometimes we need to add 3 numbers instead of 2. Don't worry. We simply add them one after another. Example 23 plus 15 plus 12. First we add 12 plus 15. That's 38. Now 38 plus 12 equals 50 because the 12 was left. Okay? You can do it any, but just do a bracket 2 of the numbers. So you plus them first, and the number that is the sum of those 2 numbers that are in the bracket, and you need to add them to the last number that was out of the bracket, out of the home, say. If you're a child, a small child. Now 38 plus 12 equals 50. So 23 plus 15 plus 12 equals 50. Let's try another one. 31 plus 24 plus 15. 31 plus 24 equals 55. 55 plus 15 equals 70. The answer is 70. Easy, right? Let's do quick sounds. Can you solve this sum? 12 plus 14 plus 13. Paul, did you get 39? Great job. Because 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's 3 and 9. 39. Okay, great job. Wonderful, since we can add 3 two-digit numbers. Let's move on to adding even bigger numbers. Now let's learn to add 3-digit numbers without carrying. Sometimes every column is small enough so we don't carry. 123 plus 245, right? 3 plus 5 is already not 10. That's why if it's really 10, then when you put the last digit but carry the first digit of it. Okay, let's understand. Ones. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Tens. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Hundreds. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 123 plus 245 equals 368. Let's do one more. 341 plus 256 equals 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 10. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Hundreds. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Answer 597. See how easy it is? Did you notice something? We always start adding from the ones place. Then we move to the tens place. Finally, we add the hundreds place. Remember this rule every time you add numbers. Okay. Great. But what happens if the ones become more than 9? Let's find out. Let's learn to add 3-digit numbers with carrying. Okay, sometimes the ones or tens become 10 or more than 10. Then we carry 1 to the next place. Example for 247 plus 186. Look, 7 plus 6, 7 plus 3 is already 10. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So it's 13. How can we write it? It's not 4,313. It's too short for that. Okay, that's why we just put 3 over there, okay? And carry 1. So 4 is become 5. And 5 plus 8 is 8 plus 2 is already 10. 10 plus 5 minus 2 is 3. And 10 plus 3 is 13. So we write 13 but 1 carry. Then 2 is into 3. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So it's 433. Step 1. Add the ones. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Write 3 in the ones place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Step 2. Add the tens. 4 plus 8 plus 1 equals 13. Write 3. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 2 plus 1 equals 4. The answer is 433. So much easy. Let's try another one. 358 plus 275. Once 8 plus 5 equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. Tens. 5 plus 7 plus 1 equals 13. Write 3 and carry 1. Hundreds. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. Answer is 633. Carrying helps us when the total in one column becomes 10 or more. First of all, remember this. If you know all the questions in the world, you don't even know them, but this is a fact about them. All the sums, like all of them. All of the sums in the universe can't. Their ones place can't be carried. Every single question in the universe. Okay. Remember this tip. Always begin from the ones. Carry carefully, then continue with the tens. Finally add the hundreds. If you follow these steps, your answer will be correct. Yeah. Now that we know how to add numbers, let's see how addition helps us in real life. Real. Okay, you're just one step away, one topic of the jacked her away from the surprise. Let's solve some fun word problems using addition. Word problems tell us a story. We need to find the important numbers and add them. Example 1. Raya has 125 stickers. Her brother gives her 143 more stickers. How many stickers does she have now? 125 plus 143 equals 268. So Raya has 268 stickers. Example 2. A library has 214 books. The school buys 152 more books. How many books are there now? 214. The school buys 152 more books. How many books are there now? 214 minus 152 is what? Okay, let's do it together. That's it. Okay. Let's just erase what I draw first. Okay, that was it. Let's see the question. 214 minus, because the school buys. That's why they minus. Okay, 214 minus 152 equals 4 plus 2 and 4 minus 2 can't happen. So we don't cut 4, we cut 1 and we put it to 0. Okay, and we go to 4. 4 is now 14. Okay, because the one gift is now bumped into 4 and gone 14. Okay, and that's 14 minus 2. Hey. 4 minus 2? It's 4 minus 2. I just forgot. 214 minus 152. Okay. 152. Look, 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, 1 minus 5 can't happen. So you put 1 to 0. Okay. Hey. No, put it to 11. Right. Because 2 is now 1. Okay. So 11 minus 5 is, good job, 6. Okay. Now let's do 1 minus 1. You can know that 0. If this number comes like a 0 on the first, okay, then what you do, you just forget the 0. These zeros are like for smart kids. If you are a smart kid, do it. Okay, so just so your mind needs to just like get the 0 cutted. Okay, and then that means the answer is 62. Okay, so just do this to me. 62 books are left. Okay, word problem become easy when you read carefully and choose the correct numbers. Let's do a quick activity. Okay, that was the surprise, because on the last topic when you do the quick recap, I do a surprise in every video. Okay, the surprise is time now. Let's go to the museum and do a quick activity. Yes, bro. Let's prepare jackets. Yes. Yes, now let's do our boots. Yes. Okay, now we are ready to go to the museum and do a quick activity. Yes, let's go. Let's do quick activity. solve this, there are 145 balloons. Another 123 balloons are added. How many balloons are there now? Pause the video. The answer is 268. Fantastic. Let's quickly remember the important points from today's lesson. Today we learned addition means finding the total. We can add 3 two-digit numbers. We learned to add 3-digit numbers without carrying. We learned to add 3-digit numbers without carrying. We learned to add 3-digit numbers with carrying. We solved real-life word problems using addition. Always remember to start adding from the ones place, then tens, and finally hundreds. Practice every day, and addition will become very easy. Awesome work, everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning grade 2 maths to chapter 3 addition with Unwire. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unwire for more fun. And if you're learning videos, also join our Telegram channel for notes, worksheets, and important updates. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.